to do this here. I want to do this outside in awake. So we want to initialize this here. And then I think that's all I need to do. So I don't need this extra reference. All right, I think that should make it work. Let's test. I need those for the VCSs and the buses. I don't, because those I can't see, but everything else I can see in Unity. So I have this little browser called the Fmod Events Browser. So in here, I can click on the actual thing and actually see what you have. Like the parameters and what I need to do to I can test it. But there's no way of viewing the VCS stuff. So those I need screenshots for, or VCA, sorry, VCA and or bus, if you whatever you use. I can't see those, so I need the screenshots for those. But these I can actually click on, so I can even play with it here, like the torch. I can move it around. All right, let's see if the broom works now. It's not playing the sound. That's not working. So, nope, it didn't like something. Oh, because I didn't set up the references. So let's go back to, it's my fault. Prefabs, props, magic broom. Actually, you know what I'll do is I'll just say that this depends on a require component type of studio event emitter. Don't need to make this reference anymore. Put it down here. And then in here we will get component, and then we'll pass it to the initializer. I'll fade out when stopping, trigger once. All right, let's see if this works. Is the sweep set to repeat? Or no? I don't think it is. No, but it's like it's 4 sweeps and then it stops, right? Did you like that? I bet you didn't see that before. I did that yesterday. So it's working now. So if I go away. I can still hear the torches. Then I guess I could do the same. I could do the same thing for that sound. And this is what you asked what the cart was for. This is what the cart's for. I'm having too much fun with this. Don't mind this. This is just setting up the collision. That's not gonna, obviously that's not gonna be visible there, but in fact it should look like this. So yeah, the way I have it is that it when the broom starts, it plays the animation back and forth. And then every 2 seconds, it should play sorry, let me think. Every 2 seconds, it basically applies the cleaning effect, meaning it does it. Sorry, I'm so confused. I'm trying to remember what cleaning effect is. Cleaning effect is the Is that the puff particles? I gotta remember. Props, magic broom. Yeah. So the clean effect is the particle. So every 2 seconds, it plays the particle effect. It and if it's already playing, it stops it and then it plays it again, and then it plays the sound, and then it resets and it starts the timer over, and then it actually it reduces the I'll actually move this up here. It reduces the sound, the dust pile by, it like shrinks it every time it ticks. And I realize it should play the sound on enable. So we should just add a private void on enable. And what we should do is actually move this here. And we should clean effect. Actually, let's move this into a method. Play clean effect. Not player. Play. And we're going to do play clean effect. Okay, and then we also want to play the sound. It should start right off the bat. And then on disable, private void on disable, stop the timer, stop the clean effect, stop the sound emitter, just in case. Didn't play it on. Didn't do it. Oh, because I didn't save this. Save. I didn't save the file. Got to recompile. Yes. Okay, so on enable's not good because we spawned them initially, but let's see if this works here. Alright, so now it's doing it. Okay. So we need to say if green effect does not equal no, and if does not equal no, and that should be fine. But we can use on enable because we spawn these things into the pool. So what we need to do is public void start sweeping, public void stop sweeping, and we need to call these actually we don't need this, we don't need, we don't need this anymore. We can just do this. Okay. So we need to figure out where to call start and stop sweeping from. Where do we... I think there's a get broom function somewhere. I think it's in the equipment manager. Equipment service, get broom. Equipment controller, get broom. Okay, go here. Okay, so here we'll do magic broom. Magic broom, hop, broom, start sweeping. Actually, no, we don't want. We want to place it first. So this is called by here. This is called by here. Here we go. And then we'll say broom start sweeping. Return broom. So right before we return broom, we stop sweeping. Whoa, cool. It's going. this is all messed up over here. Okay. Yeah, it's I have it set for 10 seconds, I think. So the dust piles have about 10 health, and each time it sweeps, I can adjust it. I can make this 5, and then I'll do it, you know. I was just testing, so we'll probably have to figure out like a balance for all these things. Um, I want to fix this. Because it's bugging me. Okay. Have a good night, Emily. Thank you so much. Okay. Let's get the roof on this thing. So we need entryway, ceiling, and then let's go to prefab, not dungeon map, prefabs, props, no, not props, environments, walls, and then we have ceiling stone. Yeah, okay. So we will need, okay, corner, no, okay, corner end, okay. That's the top, okay. So now we're going to move these into our own prefab folder because we're going to modify them. Dungeon. Let's add a folder for ceiling tiles. Original prefabs. And let's get rid of all the mesh colliders because we're going to use our own colliders. Remove, 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 remove. Nothing there, nothing there, nothing there, nothing there. Remove. Okay. I did. I was sick this weekend. I was sick on Saturday. Which is why I didn't get to finish this for the game jam. Okay. Let's duplicate that. 10, 40, 0, 35. Okay. Oh, let's put our music back on. Should be 5. -5, 30. Five, 3, 40. Okay. One more. This one. Duplicates. $15, 35. Okay, and then we just need one tile in the middle. To seal it. All right, I'm gonna redo the collision because I didn't like how I did it last time. So we're gonna turn this back on and we're just gonna delete this and we're gonna start over. So we're gonna go back in here. And now we're going to create a Pro Builder cube. And let's set this at 0, 0, 0. Now let's do the room. Grab the faces. Okay. I think we're good. Want this down into the ceiling though. Okay. Now okay. We did that. And I want to go to, I have prefabs for these entryways. I think I'm going to create a separate one in there. I'm going to set this to static. Got to set this to level. Hallway. Okay, so here we'll do the same thing. Because this is our archway, so we'll do create Pro Builder cube. Where is this? I don't know why it did it outside. What's it doing? I think you can't create it in prefab mode, so let's do it in the scene. And then it's off. 0. And then apply. And let's go into prefab mode, go here.